Hello, welcome to Health and Fitness YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about how a program, the Diabetes Freedom, is helping people reverse their condition and live a vibrant life once again. Diabetes Freedom Program Review 2020. Does Diabetes Freedom Program really work? That you would find out shortly. What is Diabetes Freedom? Diabetes Freedom is a program by George Reilly and James Freeman that has been designed to help reverse your type 2 diabetes and keep you free from diabetes for good. The Diabetes Freedom Program teaches you simple but powerful ways to flush out the toxins that often cause diabetes. This includes a 3-step approach that makes it easy to accomplish. These 3 steps are entirely natural and they not only help you to reverse your type 2 diabetes but also help you lose weight by showing you natural ways to flush fat out of your system and the compound, ceramide, that is the root cause of diabetes. These approaches are simple, but yet, very powerful. How does Diabetes Freedom work? The aim of the Diabetes Freedom Program is to flush out the cause of diabetes type 2 and fat, which is the ceramide compound, out of your system. And this is achieved in a 3-step natural diabetes reverse approach. Step 1 is the Pancreas Restart Plan. The primary objective of this plan is to target and eliminate fat cells. This nutrition plan provides a restart to your pancreas that gives a good boost for losing weight. Once you follow this plan for 2 weeks, your pancreas will start working, and your body will regulate blood sugar without any help. This nutrition plan is easy and you don't need to make unrealistic changes in your daily routine. You can enjoy delicious food while all the good changes happen in your body. This section provides a detailed plan to cleanse the liver and flush out toxins from the body. This detox plan includes 5 powerful teas that also melt fat cells and beat food cravings. Step 2 is the Brown Fat Boosting Blueprint. Inside the section, you will get a 2-minute routine that will help you to remain on the top of your fat-burning game. This 2-minute routine is simple and doesn't need any special equipment. You can also perform this routine in your home without any expensive or complicated workout equipment. These movements work for anybody regardless of fitness level, and anyone can do them with minimal effects. Step 3 is meal timing. These meal timings designed to reverse diabetes type 2. Many people don't know that one of the significant rules of defeating diabetes is eating the right food at the right time. The Diabetes Freedom Program by George Reilly and James Freeman is without doubt a simple but powerful program that can help you control your blood sugar naturally, help you lose weight, and keep you away from medicines and shots. It is a nutrition plan that anyone can follow and it is relatively inexpensive. You can test it for a full 60 days and see if it works for you or not. For more information and how Diabetes Freedom works, or for your order, click the link in the video description. Thank you for visiting our channel. Like this video and hit the subscribe button to see more review videos from Health and Fitness.